She was the runner-up on The Voice 2 years ago. Performances like this with Blake Shelton launched Megan Lindsay's career.
But you rescued me.
But brace yourself for a shock. Megan woke up looking like this. It's a horrific spider bite which left a gaping hole in Megan's pretty face. Woke up to a stinging sensation on my face. In my right hand was a dead spider, she posted on Instagram. This scenario is literally on the top of my nightmare list. Excruciating pain, muscle spasms, full body rash, extreme swelling. And this is the monster that caused the horrific wound. It's a brown recluse spider. It may only be about the size of a quarter, but its bite is poisonous. Dr. Roshini Raj.
So it's an open wound that's starting to get increased in terms of diameter because the skin surrounding it is actually dying. We call that necrosis.
Megan recorded her progress on social media. I cannot believe the outpouring of love and support I have received from all of you. I'm seeing a wound care specialist, praying for some answers to speed up the healing process. Megan was treated in a hyperbaric oxygen chamber.
You're going to be putting someone in a chamber so they get much more oxygen than they normally would.
This is the aftermath.
The oxygen helps them heal wounds much easier and they're much more able to fight off infection.
It was the breakthrough she prayed for. All of the black dead tissue is gone. Super excited about this. Just look at the difference. The horrible wound has almost healed 5 weeks after she was bitten. Brown recluse spiders live in the Midwest and South and lurk in closets, garages, and barns. And as Megan found out, their bites can have terrifying consequences.